Here's how to check if USB port on Windows is 3.0 or 2.0. So the first thing that you're going to do is on the left or right side of your laptop, go ahead and check there the USB-C port. So as you can see, it will state there what kind of port it has. Is it 3.0 or 2.0? Now, let me show you a difference between a USB 2.0 and USB 3.0. For a USB 2.0, usually it has a white layer, while the USB 3.0 has a three blue layers. So, as you can see, 2.0 is much more thicker than the 3.0. The other thing is that USB 3.0 remains its blue lining, while USB 2.0 has its black or just a white lining. And there is also a gold button. Now, for you to be able to see what kind of port that your desktop or Windows is actually having, is that you can go to the device manager of your laptop, go to Universal Serial Bus Controller, and you will see there what kind of USB-C or USB type port that your Windows have.